In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcams under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LINGDU D200 Dash Cam. The LINGDU D200 2K plus 720p dual dash cam is a feature-rich car DVR that ensures enhanced safety and convenience during your journeys. Equipped with a front and rear dual camera setup, it records at 2K HD resolution, 2560x1440p, with a wide 150 degrees view angle, capturing high-quality footage at 30 frames per second to include crucial details like road signs and license plates. Its f1.8 aperture and 6-element glass lens ensure excellent image clarity. The built-in Wi-Fi allows seamless video file sharing and viewing via the LINGDU app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Voice control ensures hands-free operation for safer driving, while the built-in GPS records driving location, route, and speed. Designed with a supercapacitor, it operates efficiently in extreme weather conditions ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The dashcam comes pre-equipped with a 64GB microSD card, expandable up to 128 GB, and supports optional accessories like a hardwire kit for 24-hour parking monitoring. Additional features include G-sensor, parking monitor, speed and coordinates recording, night vision, and more, making it a reliable companion for any driver. Number 2. Aprilboy V9 Car Dashcam. The Aprilboy V9 4K Smart Driving Mirror Dashcam is a feature-packed car DVR designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. It offers advanced functionalities like the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, for real-time alerts on lane departure and forward collision, along with blind spot detection to monitor areas outside your view. The dashcam features enhanced night vision with wide dynamic range, WDR, technology, ensuring clear video footage even in low light or challenging conditions. It supports 4K resolution with a Sony IMX327 imaging sensor, a 9.88-inch OLED touchscreen display, and a built-in G-sensor for automatic recording during sudden movements or collisions. Additional features include loop recording, parking monitor, time-lapse recording, smart reversing aid with adjustable guidelines, and optional GPS functionality for tracking routes, speed, and location. The device is powered by a corded electric source, supports up to 256 GB external memory, and is equipped with dual lenses for front and rear recording. With its waterproof and anti-vibration design, built-in battery, and multilingual support, the Aprilboy V9 ensures seamless performance and reliability for safer and smarter driving experiences. Number 3. AZDOME GS63H Dashcam. The AZDOME Dashcam is a cutting-edge 4K UHD car DVR designed to enhance driving safety and capture high-quality recordings. Powered by the Novatec NT96660 processor and a Sony IMX335 sensor, it delivers crystal-clear 2880x2160p video resolution with a 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens for distortion-free images, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its f1.8 wide aperture and 6 glass lens technology. The dashcam features advanced functionalities like super night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring with a built-in battery, smart accident monitoring with a G-sensor, motion detection, and loop recording. It supports GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a range of customizable settings, including video stamps and a screen-saver displaying live speed and time. With its durable build, waterproof design, and user-friendly interface, the AZDOME Dashcam is an ideal companion for recording real-time driving conditions and scenic routes. It also includes a 360 degrees rotatable suction mount, free firmware upgrades, and compatibility with up to 128 GB external memory. Number 4. WOLFBOX I07 Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX I07 is a high-performance car dash camera designed for comprehensive coverage and safety. Featuring triple camera recording with ultra-wide angles, 150 degrees front, 160 degrees interior, and 155 degrees rear, it captures 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD video for detailed monitoring of your vehicle's surroundings. Equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen, it supports 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the interior, offering crystal-clear visuals. Advanced features include 6 infrared night vision lights with Starvis sensor for clear recording in low-light conditions, built-in GPS for speed and coordinate tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone app management on iOS or Android. It offers dual parking monitoring modes, Type-C power supply, and supercapacitors for enhanced reliability and durability. With special features like motion detection, waterproofing, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, and external GPS, it ensures 24/7 safety and convenience. The device is easy to install, supports memory expansion up to 128 GB, and includes a built-in battery with a portable recorder assembly mode. This dashcam is ideal for ride-sharing drivers and anyone seeking advanced vehicle surveillance. Number 5. LINGDU V624K Dash Cam. The LINGDU V620 is a high-performance dashcam designed to provide clear and reliable recording for drivers. Featuring a compact and discreet design, it offers 4K plus 1080p dual recording with a 150 degrees ultra-wide lens, capturing sharp details and eliminating blind spots. Equipped with advanced HDR and WDR technology, it ensures crisp footage in challenging lighting conditions, while night vision enhances recording in low-light environments. The dashcam includes built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast footage downloads and app connectivity, GPS for real-time speed and route tracking, and ADAS technology for lane drift and collision warnings. Additional features include smart voice control, loop recording with auto emergency lock, parking mode, and a 64 GB card for up to 10 hours of storage. With multilingual support, multiple safety features, and professional after-sales service, the LINGDU V620 is a reliable companion for safe and seamless driving.